Hey there, nature lovers! I'm thrilled to take you on a winged journey to one of the most fascinating places on Earth, the Galápagos Islands. Located about 1,000 kilometers off the coast of Ecuador, these islands aren't just stunningly beautiful, they're a living laboratory of evolution. Now let's talk about some of the most intriguing inhabitants of these islands, the birds. Unique doesn't even begin to describe them. First up, the famous Galápagos finches, or as some like to call them, Darwin's finches. These little guys are a perfect example of adaptive evolution. Each species has a different type of beak, perfectly suited to their diet and lifestyle. From cracking seeds to sipping nectar, their beaks are the tools that help them survive. Moving on, we have the Galápagos mockingbirds. These aren't your average mockingbirds. They're bolder, they're curious, and yes, they're endemic to these islands. It's fascinating to watch them, as they aren't afraid to interact with visitors. And we can't forget the Galápagos doves. With their rosy, rust-colored feathers and striking blue eye rings, they add a splash of color to the arid landscapes of the islands. They're as peaceful as they are beautiful, often seen foraging on the ground, oblivious to the human presence. Each of these species has adapted to the unique conditions of the Galápagos, living embodiments of natural selection. But it's not just about their fascinating evolution. These birds face threats from introduced species and habitat changes. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure these birds continue to thrive in their natural habitat. So the next time you think of the Galápagos, remember it's not just about giant tortoises or marine iguanas. The skies here are just as bustling with stories of survival and adaptation. Stories that continue to inspire and amaze scientists and nature lovers alike. Thanks for joining me on this avian adventure. Remember, every bird tells a story, echoing the dynamic dance of life and evolution. Keep exploring, keep loving nature. Until next time, take care. The Galápagos Islands are a treasure trove of avian diversity, with each bird species playing a unique role in the ecosystem. The finches, for instance, can be found in a variety of habitats, from arid zones to lush highlands, each adapting to the specific conditions of their environment. Similarly, the mockingbirds are not just confined to one area, they thrive in different settings, showcasing their adaptability and resilience. The doves, with their serene presence, can be seen across various landscapes, embodying the peaceful coexistence that is a hallmark of the Galápagos wildlife. These birds don't just interact with their environment, they also play a crucial role in the broader ecosystem, interacting with other species and contributing to the ecological balance. There have been numerous success stories in the conservation of these birds, thanks to dedicated efforts to protect their habitats and mitigate threats. The future of these avian wonders depends on ongoing conservation efforts and the commitment of those who cherish the natural world. These birds are not just a marvel of the present, they are an inspiration for future generations, a legacy of the incredible biodiversity of the Galápagos Islands. So as we wrap up this journey, let's remember the beauty and significance of the Galápagos birds and the vital role they play in the tapestry of life on these extraordinary islands.